Hi there, we're going to be looking at percentage change today, and got a few things to look at in terms of how to do it with a decimal multiplier. Firstly, it's worth looking at the vocabulary. So in the questions that you're answering, if it is a percentage change question, if it's in a percentage increase, you're looking for words like rise, appreciation, and so on. If it's a decrease, you're looking for words like this. Now, the reason that's important is that whether it's an increase or a decrease will change the multiplier that we use. I'm going to show you why now. So, if we're doing a percentage increase, it means we're taking our original amount, our original 100%, and we're adding on whatever that percentage is. So if we have a 30% increase, that means that we're going to be finding out what 130% is. And 130% as a decimal is 1.3. Similarly, if we want a 15% increase, that's 15% on top of the original 100%, which is 1, plus our 15%, which is 0.15 as a decimal, meaning that we can represent a 15% increase by 1.15. If we're trying to represent an 8% increase, well, we've still got our original 100%, but then we've got 0.08 on top of that, the 8% increase. For 2%, we're looking to use 1.02. For 23.7%, we're looking to use 1.237 as our multiplier, 100% with 23.7 added on. And if we were looking for a 100% increase, that would essentially double the amount. So these are the multipliers we would use if we identified it as an increase question with these percentages increasing. Now, if we do a decrease, that means we're going to take our original amount and we're going to take away the percentage. So for this one, 40% decrease will leave us trying to find 60%, and that's what 60% is as a decimal. If it's a 17% decrease, we're going to be left with 83% to find. If there's a 9% decrease, that means we want to find out the 91% that's left. And if it's a 0.1% decrease, we want to find 99.9%. And continuing on, we've got 89.7 left if there's a 10.3% decrease, and 10% left if there's a 90% decrease. So if we apply these multipliers into our triangle, so we've got new amount, original amount, and multiplier, we can use this to identify what calculation we need to do. So increase £800, so our original is 800, our multiplier is 1.25 because it's an increase by 25%, and therefore we can find our new amount by doing the original times the multiplier. And that gives us £1,000. See if you can have a go at the decrease one. So our original amount is 320. Now our multiplier, it's a decrease, so it's going to be 0 point something. And if we take 12.5% away from 100, we're going to end up with 87.5, and as a decimal, 0.875. If we then take our original amount and we need to multiply it by 0.875, that's going to give us £280. Here's a little question for you how to go out to apply it. We've got amount here, which is going to be our original. We've got 17%, which is our increase, so our multiplier, because it's plus VAT, is going to be 1.17, and then we've got our calculation. We're going to multiply those two. £491.40. Thanks for listening.